Hello everyone, I am Erkan Vatan. I'm a computer science student from Istanbul, Turkey, and this is my final project for CS50. I actually made this project a year ago, but I never had a chance to shoot a video, and I procrastinated as all you can relate, but here I am making this. This is a group chat web application. I used technologies like Python Flask for backend, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap for frontend, Socketary JavaScript library for WebSocket communications, and also an SQLite database for storing account and room information. It has features like account creation and login. You can create a chat room where other people can join. Uh, it also has a live chat page where you can chat with others. Let's go to the demo. I'm going to create an account for our beloved teacher, David Malan. Okay, let's log into this account. As you can see, I've already created an account for Brian. Uh, Authentication features like chat room passwords and account passwords are stored securely in a database by using SHA-256 algorithm. Let's create a room for CS50 where people can share how much they love this course. Okay, let's join this room. Now I'm going to use another browser window to simulate another user. Let's log into Brian's account from here. Okay, let's join the room that we have just created. Wrong page. Okay. As you can see from David's screen, we can see that Brian has entered the room. Let's say hi to Brian. And he replies hi back. Thank you for watching this. This was CS50.